Hello students, find out basic strength order given following compounds. Find out basic strength order given following compounds. Now first one here, first compound here, aromatic compound is there. Second compound is cyclohexane, third compound also cyclohexane, fourth compound also cyclohexane, and fifth compound also cyclohexane. All are cyclohexanes are there. So first preference are there. First preference goes to aromatic compounds are less basic than other compounds. You remember student? Aromatic compounds are less basic strength than aliphatic compounds or cyclohexane other compounds also. First point. Now here and second condition here, these first compound having, that is all are also having this primary amines. NH2 group is there, this is primary amines. This NH2 group having one lone pair, and this is also one lone pair, and this is also having one lone pair, and this is also one lone pair, and this is also one. All are having one lone pairs. But here this is first compound belongs to primary amines, second compound also belongs to primary amines, third compound also primary amines, and fourth compound, that is secondary amine. This is the secondary compound, is a secondary compound. Third compound is tertiary compound. What is the order? We know that is the, what is the order, what is the order in gaseous state? That order is, that is tertiary is greater than, secondary is greater than, primary is greater than ammonia. This is the order we know. This is a simple trick student. First priority goes to tertiary amines, second priority goes to secondary amines, third priority goes to primary amines. So what is the order? That basic strength order is tertiary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than primary, primary is greater than ammonia. So out of these three, here this is the aromatic compound. In aromatic compound, this NH2 group having one lone pair is there. This lone pair participating in the resonance. This lone pair participating in the resonance. So due to the presence of conjugation is there. Double bond here, double, single, double. Here double bond, I am writing here. This is double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, then like this. Here conjugation is there. Double, single, double, single, double, single, double, single. Here conjugation, double, single, double. So here conjugation is there. This lone pair is involved in the resonance. So that's why these lone pairs are completely disappear. This lone pair is completely disappear. So that is the reason. Here this is the least basic. This is the least basic strength. A compound is the least basic strength. And what about B compound? This B compound having, that is cyclo group, cyclohexane. This cyclohexane is electron releasing. This is the electron releasing. So here density increases on nitrogen. The density increases on nitrogen. Density increase. Already one lone pair is there. Due to the presence of plus I group, the cyclohexane belongs to plus I group. So that is the reason. So the plus I group is always electron releasing. Due to the electron releasing, so that's why density increases on nitrogen. And what about that C compound? C compound also cyclohexane. This is also electron releasing, but extra one methyl group is there. This is no methyl, there is no other substance here, but one methyl group is there. There is no other groups are there. There is no other groups, B compound, but C compound having one extra one methyl group is there. What is the role of methyl group? That is, this methyl group is belongs to plus I. What is the role of plus I? This already plus I group is electron releasing group. This cyclohexane already electron releasing group. Extra one methyl group is there. This methyl group is also electron releasing group. Compared to B compound, C compound having more electron releasing. C compound having more electron releasing. So that is the reason. So C compound having more density. C compound having more density on nitrogen compared to B compound. B compound having less density due to the presence of only cyclohexane is there. Only one plus I group is there. Only cyclohexane is there. But and C compound having cyclohexane with one plus I group is there. Methyl group is there. Compared to B compound, C compound having more density on nitrogen. And what about this compound here? What about this one? D compound. D compound of cyclohexane. This is also plus I group is there. And here also one methyl group is there. One second student. C compound having cyclohexane, D compound also having cyclohexane, and C compound having one methyl group is there. D compound also having one methyl group is there. Out of these two, which one first priority? You remember, the C compound having only, that is primary amine. C compound having only primary amine, but D compound having, it is a secondary amine. NH group is there. This is a secondary group. It is a secondary amine. It is a secondary amine. NH group is there. NH group is belongs to secondary amine. This is a secondary amine. So out of these two, which one first priority? Secondary amine first priority. After that, primary amine. So out of these two, which one is more basic? D compound having more density on nitrogen compared to C compound. What about C compound? What about E compound? What about E compound? E compound also having cyclohexane is electron releasing group. This electron releasing group, and this nitrogen belongs to tertiary amines. This nitrogen belongs to tertiary amines. So it is the E compound having, compared to all these four, C compound having more density on nitrogen, This is the order, student. What is the basic strength order, student? That is E compound. E compound is more basic strength than D compound. D compound having more basic strength than C compound. C compound having more basic strength than B compound. B compound having more basic strength than A compound. A compound is the less basic strength, student. A compound is the less basic strength due to the absence of lone pair. This lone pair is involved in the resonance, so that is the reason it is the least basic strength. And E compound is a more basic strength due to the presence of, what is the reason? Tertiary is the more basic strength than secondary. Secondary amines are more basic than primary amines. Primary amines are more basic strength than ammonia. This is the order, student. E compound is more basic strength than, due to the presence of, it is the E compound having, E compound belongs to tertiary amines. E compound belongs to tertiary amines, and D compound belongs to secondary amines, and C compound belongs to primary amines. Primary amines with primary amines, and B compound also having B compound also belongs to primary amines. These both are belongs to primary amines. B compound and C compound both are belongs to primary amines. But what about this one? What about this one? That is, C compound is more basic strength than B compound due to the presence of extra one methyl group is there. C compound contain extra one methyl group is there, so that is the reason this methyl group is also electron releasing. So that's why this NH2 group having more density, NH2 group having more density, NH2 group having more density. Due to the more density, more basic strength. This is a simple trick, student. Basic strength is directly proportional to the, one second, student. Basic strength is directly proportional to the density. Once again, the basic strength directly proportional to the density on nitrogen, or basic strength is directly proportional to the plus I group. Basic strength is directly proportional to plus I group. Or one more condition, basic strength is inversely proportional to the minus I group. These are the important conditions, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.